want anime illustrations. If you use NovelAI, you may be able to get the anime illustration you've been looking for. These illustrations were generated by me in NovelAI. I would like to explain in detail how to use NovelAI, which is worth noting now. First, register as a member with your email address. If you want to generate images with NovelAI, you have to subscribe because it is charged. NovelAI currently offers 3 plans. Tablet, $10, get 1,000 ANLAs a month, usually about 200 illustrations. Scroll, $15, slightly more memory than the tablet plan. Opus, $25, get 10,000 ANLAs a month, usually about 2,000 illustrations. I chose the tablet plan. NovelAI uses its own currency called ANLAs to generate illustrations. When generating an illustration with the default settings, 1 sheet equals 5 ANLAs. If you change the illustration size or resolution, the ANLAs per sheet will change. Generating an image is very easy. Just enter the keyword for the illustration you want, and press Generate. I have the impression that it generates high-quality illustrations with simpler keywords than Midjourney. You can decide the resolution and the number of generated images in Settings on the right sidebar. The smaller the resolution, the fewer ANLAs points, and the larger the number, the higher the points. In addition, the number of cards generated is doubled as the number increases, and a maximum of 4 cards can be generated. To download the illustration, click the Save icon at the bottom right of the generated illustration. Then the illustration will be downloaded automatically. In addition, by selecting the upper button after creating the illustration, you can also process the illustration and reproduce similar illustrations. An example of the reproducibility of similar illustrations is this. What did you think? I've just started using NovelAI, so there may be things I don't understand yet. If there is something else I noticed, I would like to make a video. Also, if any of you have any questions about NovelAI, please let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll make another video out of it. Thank you for watching until the end. Animenbo's secret ambition is to register 1 million people. So, if you don't mind, please subscribe to the channel.